Welcome to Erelu Royale Media, the home of authentic Nollywood storytelling. Here, we celebrate the heart of African cinema, the emotions, the drama, the laughter, the culture, and the beauty of our people. From gripping family dramas, royal
Our
palace
traditions
tales,
guide
and
us,
street life
and the
stories,
land
to
provides.
exclusive celebrity interviews, cultural documentaries, and behind-the-scenes moments, this is where Nollywood lives. Whether you love the glamour, the tradition, or the powerful stories that move the soul, you'll find it all right here. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the world of true Nigerian entertainment. And don't forget, subscribe to Erelu Royale Media and turn on notifications, because every story we tell is made for you. Thank you for watching on Erelu Royale Media. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next story, because you might not find this channel again.